Love is not a feeling. Hello. Love is a conscious decision. Love is a transformative force. Glory be to God. It is not a feeling. Love is a transformative force that reconciles. It is a transformative force that sacrifices. It is a transformative force that mentors. Hallelujah. It's a transformative love. It's a force that overflows onto others. You thought you knew what love was. It's not the butterflies in your stomach. It's a transformative force. If the butterflies in your stomach, doesn't change anything in your life, glory be to God. When you thought you love, you might be in love, glory be to God, but you do not love. You're just in love with love and the concept of love, but you do not love.